How are you all? Today in this video, I gonna show you how to get a job in the United States. So guys, if you interested in job, so watch this video till the end. So I have some important jobs here. So how to get, and I have some tips and how to get a job in the United States. So first of all, you present yourself a desirable candidate. If you are desirable candidate for a job, then you must watch this video till the end. If you have not subscribed our channel, then subscribe this channel. And if you have any query related to this video, and like, share the video and share. I have first step and first step is search for job online. Search for jobs online. You can typically begin your job search and application process from Canada by searching online for roles available in the United States. If you have a degree, if you have a degree in a specific field, try to look at roles within an area, ensure you meet the education requirements. In terms of necessary current work experience, and you can also search a job within our industry where you already have experience. So guys, I hope you understand about how to get job online. And I have next idea is meet next and second tip is meet with a recruiting agency. Meet a recruiting agency. You can also reach out to recruiting agencies while conducting your job search. This opinion is best suited to professionals with more than 3 years experience in the field relevant to the role. If you have any specific areas experience, then you have to reach any recruiting agency. Most requires to conduct extensive jobs around the state for the in the designated areas to locate the most suitable roles for candidates. Recruiters typically handle the initial contact between you and company's hiring manager, allowing you more time to prepare your application materials and conduct other job search on your own. This is second step, and this is a second idea for get a job in the United States. I have third idea. Third idea, and you can say third step. Build your resume. Build your resume. After you have gathered several jobs description, review them carefully for keywords. These are words for pages that highlights the skills or background the prospective employers hope to find in a candidate. Try to include these keywords in skills and work experience sections to ensure document appeals to the employer and captures their attention. Your resume should also include the relevant sections such as your contact information, summary statement, and work experience, education, skills, and any certifications that related directly to the role. So you can understand how to make a resume and very specific and very educational. So you have to remember this point. I have third tip and third step for get a job. So write a strong cover letter. While only some employers may require a cover letter, it can often be beneficial to submit one for all the roles you apply for. An effective your cover letter can elaborate on the cover background and skills mentioned in your resume to give hiring manager a clear understanding of how you applied these abilities in previous positions. Try to ensure your cover letter includes personal introduction and expression of interest, and explanations of the task you completed and how you provide value to the past companies. So this is very important. So this is very important point. I have fifth step and fifth tip is send a follow-up. Send a follow-up. After you submit your application, resume, cover letter, and other application materials, consider sending a follow-up to the hiring manager a week later. This can verify that you have received your documents and provide a call to action for them to contact you for an interview. Sending a follow-up shows the employee your excitement and motivation work for them. Try to remain courteous and professional in your message as you politely thank for your employee for their time and ask about your current application status. So this is very important point, and you should remember this point, and this is very humble point. Send a follow up. I have next idea is, so you can see practice your interview skills. Practice your interview skill. If you want any big job, any big salary job, so you have to give an interview. So if your employer asks you to interview, consider taking time to practice your skills by conducting a mock interview with friends, family, colleagues. You can research common interview questions online, find questions specific to your field. This gives you a better idea what the interviewer might be asked to help you. You feel more prepared and confident. So it's very important. These things are very important for any interview. So you have to remember these things. So guys, I hope you understand very well about these points and how to get job in the United States. New subscribers, subscribe this channel and like the video, and also share the video. And see you in the next video. If you have any kind of doubt related to these points, please tell in the comment box, and see you in the next video.